For my language documentation project, I chose the Chol language of Chiapas, Mexico. The Chol language is a member of the western branch of the Mayan language family, used by the Chol people in the state of Chiapas, Tabasco, and Campeche in Mexico. In the Chol language, there are 21 consonant segments, and I'm very interested in the language simply because I'd like to contribute to the revival of indigenous languages in Mexico. To start, I would focus on community collaborations by working with native speakers and trying to respect their wishes and maintain ethical concerns all throughout my project. I want this project to be more about documentation and restoration rather than exploitation. A big focus group of our project would be elders in the community, as they seem to have more of a sophisticated grasp over the language, and more of a knowledgeable grasp on the language. Another thing is another way of trying to incorporate and collaborate would be to involve community members directly in the projects, as demonstrated by Chol students in the creation of the Archive of Indigenous Languages of Latin America, which is something I found online. But yes, how this documentation would come to proceed would be through recorded interviews, where we would invite elders and storytellers to come and have a conversation, such as storytelling, conversations, traditional lore, and trying to get their natural speech to just occur naturally so we can get a grasp over the language, and then therefore collect supplementary materials like word lists, and existing text. Next, to process the data, we would go through transcribing, annotating, and translating into a widely spoken language, for example, Spanish or English. And then finally, archive and disseminate the project's findings in a publicly accessible archive, while ensuring the community has access to the material. A previous project that I saw, which was on the Matlatinca language in Mexico, created a dictionary and a children's storybook for the whole community to be able to enjoy. And I would also like to partake in that by creating a dictionary and a book of local folklore and stuff, so that children or people interested in language revival can enjoy. So that would be my project.